The opioid epidemic is a growing concern, as highlighted by the March 2018 issue of Time. Oftentimes, these patients find themselves in the hospital for prolonged periods of time, requiring a central line. These patients are more likely to misuse their central lines, resulting in complications such as infections in their CVLs.
Hi, my name is Edward. I am a registered nurse at UAB Hospital, and I'm here to talk about IV drug use. IV drug use is a public health hazard which leads to infection. This infection can lead to conditions such as bacterial endocarditis, where patches of bacteria will end up on some heart valves, which then may lead to thromboembolic events such as stroke. As a nurse, I've taken care of patients who have histories of IV drug use, and so in my opinion, it's a serious condition that needs to be addressed. As far as costs and healthcare systems, IV drug abuse commonly requires ICU level of care, which is expensive in and of itself. In addition to treating the infection long term,
we have decided to tackle this problem by redesigning a device that will enclose the IV port on the central line via a one-way locking mechanism. All of these designs are one-time use devices and are removed by different braking mechanisms. There are two core designs. One is a full enclosure that covers up the IV port and must be locked on and then broken off to remove it. And the second is a sliding mechanism that locks on and it must be slid off and broken in order for it to work.
We will target our device to those who work closely with patients and their CVLs, the doctors and nurses. Here's a nurse's opinion on our device.
IV drug use is a serious health concern, however it is not 100% preventable. However, products such as VasSecure is a great way to deter patients from participating in IV drug use and is a great way to help clinicians identify that this is an issue among their patients.
There is no current device on the market to solve this need. However, the current practice is to swab the port with an alcohol swab for a standard amount of time. But in terms of detecting patient tampering, there is none. Our device will save hospitals money by lowering the chance of CVL complications. Our main income will come from those hospitals, but we hope to begin selling to other healthcare providers, such as nursing homes and rehabilitation.
This is the most relevant patent we've found, although it has not yet reached production. This patent does not interfere with our current intellectual property. We are requesting $105,000 for 1 year's operation to make 1,000 devices. Investors will earn 25% equity in our company. This money will go towards injection molding, packaging and shipping, material cost, office space, and salary.
So kudos to you guys. This is why I like UAB. This is freaking phenomenal.